what is expanded clay in aquaponics? Why do we need it? Okay, expanded clay. Expanded clay is the growing media that most people use within their aquaponics system in your grow bed. Sorry to interrupt. Look, to really boost your aquaponics learning, jump on over to my website for some free online training, and it's really structured and it's going to help you get a really good grasp of how this works rather than trying to pick it bits and pieces everywhere. Let's get the foundations happening, okay? So some free online training at www.theaquaponicslady.com. Jump on over and get your free training. And we'll just move the camera down so you can actually see it. You can see down here, expanded clay. This is a flood and drain bed, whereas this one over here is a constant flow. So the water is constantly at that level. Okay, we can probably see it better. It's constantly at that level. Whereas this one, it floods up and it drains out. So it'll flood up to here and then it'll drain out again. But expanded clay, we use the expanded clay. I'll move you back over here. We use expanded clay because it is a porous material, so it's actually made of clay. And it's been cooked up to more than 2,000 degrees Celsius. How awesome, seriously. And it's then got lots and lots of little air, you can hear the drain happening. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm putting videos up every couple of days, so make sure that you hit subscribe so you can get all of them. It's got lots and lots of air pockets within that, which creates lots and lots of surface area, right? There's the camera over there. We'll try to get that to focus, hey? No, not going to focus. Okay, but it's like very, very, very porous. And this is where your bacteria grows. So within the grow bed, this is our filter, right? So if you've been listening to any of my videos, your grow bed is your filter. We want to keep it nice, clean and clear, removing all solid waste, hence the pail here, which is my solid waste filter. We want to get nice and healthy and clean. We don't want it to get yucky and smelly and all clogged up. That will end up being an awful lot of work to clean. So let's just prevent it to begin with. Prevention is so much better than trying to fix. So this is just a new system that's cycling, and at the moment I am colonizing it with bacteria. So I've added some bacteria from my current aquaponics system and I'm fertilizing it on a daily basis with a little bit of fish emulsion, right? And the bacteria is growing in this expanded clay that has been heated up, that is pH neutral, so it does not drive my pH up anywhere. Now if I use gravel, just normal river gravel would be fine, but it's not as porous, so it doesn't have as many holes for the bacteria. And bacteria need a lot of surface area because we need lots and lots of bacteria to be in our aquaponic system to grow and convert the ammonia, fish waste, into a fertilizer that the plants can use, which is the nitrate. We need this nitrification process to happen so that we get the fertilizer for the fish, for the veggies. And expanded clay, though it is expensive, is one of your best options because your bacteria gets to live here. If you use smooth stones, so smooth little river gravel, you won't have as many bacteria. It will also really weigh down, your whole system will get really, really weighted. Okay, so heads up on that one. But yes, pH neutral and no nutrients. Nothing comes in or out. Okay, that's why this is perfect for aquaponics. We're not wanting to add anything else that we don't know about. Okay, so within the garden, within our soil gardens, awesome. We often have lots and lots of nutrients within there that happen, all happening naturally within their ecosystem. And if a local cat comes and pees on it, well, they're getting a little bit of extra nitrogen there. Awesome. But within our man-made ecosystem, we're wanting to keep a bit more of an eye on it because we have to be the ones who balance it out because we don't have nature happening as much to do that. Okay.